Fusion pro tip. If I want to move features in Fusion without altering the initial sketch, what I can do is select all of the inside features and then hit M on my keyboard for move. If I need to reset my pivot, I can do so like this, and then I can use this arrow to move this port up or down. In this case, I needed it 2 millimeters higher, and say OK. Now my initial sketch that made this port is still located in line with these other 2 ports, but I was able to move these features quite easily after the fact. I can still go back to my sketch and edit it, and this move is parametric, so it's on my timeline, and it will then always be moved those 2 millimeters upwards. Now, hypothetically, if I have a feature like this that I want to delete, there's all these complicated features and faces up here, and I really just want this fillet to be continuous. Well, instead of selecting all of these faces and hitting the delete key, sometimes if you don't select all of the faces, Fusion will come up with an error. So the way to get around that is to extrude a simple shape through all of your complex geometry. In this case, I'll draw a rectangle fully encompassing everything. E for extrude, cut down, say OK, and then I can select all 5 of these faces much more easily and then hit delete. And there I've deleted it. Let me show you that again, and I'll show you a different way. Instead of extrude cutting, I'm going to draw a rectangle, extrude, go through, and say join. Now I'm left with this boxy feature instead of a cut. This is even easier to select before I hit delete, and it's gone. I don't have to select all of the small or complex geometry or faces in order to delete a feature. I can just cut a simple shape through it and then delete that simple shape.